An ERP solution is the backbone of modern businesses, automating critical processes and centralizing financial and operational data. BatchMaster ERP goes a step further with specialized modules tailored to streamline process manufacturing operations. From finance and costing for budgets and costs, to sales and distribution for seamless order-to-cash cycles and purchase for vendor management, each module works in harmony to enhance efficiency. Its inventory management ensures accurate stock and smooth shipments. Production and bill of materials optimize resources and production workflows. The new product development module accelerates time to market, whereas quality control and compliance ensure adherence to industry standards. Planning and scheduling aligns production with demand forecasts, reducing downtime and maximizing utilization. Advanced tools like laboratory and formulation management drive innovation while addressing industry-specific needs. BatchMaster ERP's modular design lets you start with what matters and scale as you grow, centralizing operations, eliminating inefficiencies, and empowering your teams. Transform your business with BatchMaster ERP.